Welcome to the latest Sennheiser SoundAcademy video. Today we're going to be introducing you to our newest professional product, the IE40 Pro. It's a professional dynamic in-ear monitoring headphone. So stay tuned and we'll take you through everything and hopefully you enjoy. So now obviously the best thing to do would be have a look what's inside the box. We've obviously got two colors to choose from that you can see here. I've got the clear headphone and I've got the black headphone. Just for ease of your viewing, I'm going to do the black version. So let's pop the box open and see what we can see inside. So as you can see here, we have the headphone itself. Beside the headphone, we have a little soft carry pouch, and inside the soft carry pouch, we have the silicone ear tips and the foam ear tips and the cleaning tool. The ear tips are sized in either small, medium, or large. And then obviously, finally, we have the instruction manual.